Oh, all right. They're switching places so the lines don't get caught. Sid's pulling something in here. All right.
All right. Yay, Sid.
Oh, what do we have? Do we see it yet?
Not yet, but
Huh.
keep going, baby. Reel it in. Yay!
Oh, a halibut.
Halibut.
All right. Okay.
Ooh, that's a good one,
Oh,
too.
all right.
One in there too.
Uh-huh.
Oh, how deep are you, baby?
I got him down at about 200.
Hey, smile, halibut catcher. Yay.
Hey, halibut fishing.
Yeah.
Okay, together. Hey, can we put Sid and the halibut together? Yay!
Yay. Woo.